If there's no one, then we'll start with it. So we'll start with this. Okay, so this is knee joint and it is a very inflamed area. Okay, so it is a septic arthritis. So arthritis, what do you mean by arthritis? What do you mean by joint? Okay, so joint is form of two bones. Okay, so there should be two bones, like this is some bone and this is some bone. Okay, there's two bones at least. There should be some cartilage. Okay, there should be some cartilage. Okay, and there should be this joint area. Okay, so if there is this is known as joint. So joint is form of two bones with cartilage. If there is any problem inside this, this is known as arthritis. So arthritis typical means cartilage destruction, cartilage का destruction होना. Okay, and these two bones एक दूसरे के ऊपर strike करना. Okay, so if there is a cartilage destruction, these two bones start striking each other. So cartilage and then bone. So bones have periosteum and there are nerves inside periosteum. Okay, so because of the two bones striking each other, you will have pain. Okay, so arthritic pain. So with old age, what happens? There is the cartilage of the tibia and femur, they degenerate. Okay, and they start hitting each other. They start striking each other, and this comes to knee arthritis or hip arthritis, whatever. So sometimes because of infection, the cartilage eaten by the microorganism. Okay, so if there is a cartilage eaten by the microorganism, these two bones obviously will attract each other. Attract each other, what not is a bad term. Actually, it because of the cartilage loss, the tibia and femur will be approximated to each other. Okay, and because of that, this is a severe pain, and this is known as arthritis. So septic arthritis is a term where the septic means infection. So because of infection in the body, the joint get infected, and there's a word known as septic arthritis. Okay, so we'll study septic arthritis. Okay, so septic arthritis is the same. Thus, there's a synovial membrane, there's a synovial inflammation, and effusion. Effusion is the pus collection, okay, in the joint capsule and everything. Okay, so if there is a synovial lining over the cartilage, okay, so there is a synovitis. Synovitis is inflammation of synovium. There is a pus, okay, and because the joint is totally surrounded by the pus, there is a severe pain of the pus, okay, of the joint in the joint. Mainly bacterial, and it's most commonly staph. Already I told you staph is the most common. So pathogenesis can be inside, it can be outside. Okay, so if you don't treat or if the infection is not treated, what happens later on? Okay, so there would be either the complete destruction of your cartilage. Okay, there is complete destruction of cartilage, and when bones and bone will attach to each other, there will be ankylosis. So you should remember two words for now. One is known as ankylosis. What do you mean by ankylosis? Ankylosis means, okay, ankylosis means bones fusion. Okay, two bones which attach to each other are known as ankylosis. Okay, so sometimes it is fibrous ankylosis. So sometimes there is a fibrous ankylosis. Fibrous ankylosis means because of the fibrous tissue, the bones unite. Okay, there is no bony connection, but because of the fibers in between, there is a connection. Sometimes there is a bony ankylosis. Bony ankylosis means because of bones, it gets fusion. So ankylosis is a joint fusion. Ankylosis is a joint fusion. It may be bony, it may be fibrosis. Okay. So sometimes there is a fibrous fusion and sometimes there is a bony fusion. You just remember the word. Okay. So if in septic arthritis there is two bones, okay, and there is a complete destruction of cartilage, the bones will approximate each other and it will go into bony ankylosis. So bony destruction and permanent deformity can be occur. So you see there, this is bony ankylosis. So you remember bony ankylosis will be there. Okay, the same investigation you will do the ESR, CRP, blood investigation, synovial fluid imaging, MRI, CT, everything will be, you can find everything. So what is the complication? The cartilage destruction. If it occurs in young children where there is a growth going on, okay, there is a growth plate. So growth plate will be disturbed and there will be growth stunting. Okay. Okay, so this is for all MCQ. So most common route. So if it is, we're talking of septic arthritis. So septic arthritis, the most common route is hematogenous. Okay. Even for TB spine, already I told you the most common route is hematogenous. Most common cause in septic arthritis staph aureus. Most common joint is knee joint. Okay. If then other thing is neglected septic arthritis. Okay. So septic arthritis is neglected septic arthritis. If you don't treat the septic arthritis, the both bone will form bony ankylosis. Most common cause of bony ankylosis is septic arthritis. Same thing. Best investigation is how will you do the investigation of, you can do CT, MRI, whatever. What is the best investigation? You aspirate the pus. You are 100% sure that this is a septic arthritis and just send it for some investigation. What is the treatment of choice? You just open the joint, you remove all pus, you give a wash, you give saline, you wash everything, and we'll start your antibiotics. Okay. So this is something. Now one thing. Okay. So you just remember one thing. So whenever there is a septic arthritis, okay. So if you feel sometimes when you feel some pain in your elbow joint or knee joint, so whenever there is a pus collection inside a joint, the joint actually actually align themselves in the best comfortable position. Okay. So sometimes even you have some knee pain, you just want to extend the knee and you cannot flex the knee because it is too painful. So you extend the knee and keep the knee in the same position. Sometimes, so there is different positions of the joint in septic arthritis, which you want to keep into that position so that the pain would be less. So it is known as, I will just tell you what it is. So it is known as joint at ease. So joints at each position. Joints at each position. So in septic arthritis, when there is a pus collection, the joints want to be at each position where there is a less pain. Okay. So knee, usually if there is a knee joint, usually knee remains in the flexion position. Okay. So knee is always in flexion. If you see any septic arthritis or any photo anywhere, knee is always in flexion because in extension it is too painful. Okay. So what is the, if you have a septic arthritis, the best position of knee would be in flexion. The pain would be less. Okay. For hip joint, there is a position known as Faber. Just remember this one position. Faber is a term which will come very often. Okay. So it is, Faber means flexion. Okay. So there would be flexion of the hip joint. It will be abduction. Abduction means thoda bahar ki taraf, and external rotation. Okay. So Faber is the best position for the hip in septic arthritis. In knee का क्या रहेगा? Knee का flexion रहेगा. So these two words you should remember. The rest of, even elbow would also be in, elbow written flex and mid prone. So this is the best position where you keep your limbs in septic arthritis. Okay. So septic arthritis is always in joints, cannot be in bones. Okay. Because arthritis is a joint problem. So hip you keep in Faber, knee always in flexion, and elbow again in flexion. Okay. So this is known as Tom Smith. Tom Smith is a, you just remember one thing. Tom Smith by name is a child. Okay. Adults cannot have this type of name, Tom Smith. So Tom Smith is a child who have a arthritis, means there is some joint issue. There is a hip joint issue. So hip joint arthritis. So septic arthritis in hip. Okay. So hip में अगर कोई problem हुआ बच्चों के, so any septic arthritis in hip is known as Tom Smith arthritis. Okay. So septic hip of hip is known as, septic hip arthritis is known as Tom Smith arthritis. So sometimes they write as Tom Smith arthritis. Sometimes they give you simple septic hip arthritis. Okay. So see, normally the hip joint is circular. Okay. Normally the hip joint is circular. I cannot form circular thing with this, but normally it is like this. Okay. Normally the hip joint is, the head of hip joint is circular. Okay. Because of arthritis, it got distorted. Okay. It got distorted. So see, totally distorted hip. Okay. Here also totally distorted hip. So it is mainly found in Tom Smith arthritis versus septic arthritis. So septic arthritis, बच्चों में femur completely destroyed. Okay. Abscess and everything. And so this is something which you should remember. What is telescopy test and what is leg will become shorter. Okay. So go while this. Okay. So see if the limb is like this. If limb is consider it as a 10 centimeter. Okay, consider the femur of 10 centimeter. When there's a destruction of upper one, okay, so the limb would become now 8 centimeters. So there would be limb shortening. First thing is you should remember this because of the destruction of whole hip joint. Okay, so hip joint is this is a hip joint and it is covered inside something. Okay, so if there is a destruction of the head, now it will become moving all over. So all the surrounding structures are destroyed. So it start moving all over. So it's known as telescopy. So telescopy is a test where you telescope something. Telescope means inside telescope if you find there are multiple tube inside telescope. So you push one tube, then other tube, and then other tube. Telescopy test positive means there is a totally if you telescope the femur up, it will be like going inside. Okay, so telescopy means I will show you telescopy के साथ है. So this is your acetabulum. Okay, so normally पहले इतना तक था. Okay, so telescopy में क्या करते हैं, ऐसा हम लोग force लगाते हैं. So we put a force towards acetabulum, so there will be less movement. So we'll pull and push. It's like a pull and push. So we'll push and pull. So initially there is less movement. बट अगर इतना डिस्ट्रक्शन हो जाता है, दिस पार्ट इज डिस्ट्रॉयड, इफ यू कंसीडर दिस पार्ट इज डिस्ट्रॉयड, so ये इतना मूवमेंट अपने को मिलेगा, इतना मूवमेंट और मिलता है एक्स्ट्रा. So this is telescopy. So you push and pull, so you feel okay 5 centimeters going inside and coming outside, so this is telescopy test. So telescopy test is positive in hip arthritis. बच्चों के hip arthritis में the complete destruction of the problem. X-ray, absence of head neck tumor. What is the treatment? Treatment would be same. You just open abscess, clean करने का, wash देने का, saline का, antibiotics start करने का. Okay. Okay. Now come what TB arthritis. So that is Tom Smith arthritis. That is hip arthritis because of bacterial. Okay. So TB is something different. So now it's come for TB arthritis. The same hip can be infected by bacteria. The same hip can be infected by TB. So TB can infect anything, acetabulum, femur head, GT, LT, anything. So the most common is acetabulum. So you remember the most common which comes in your MCQ. The most common comes to acetabulum. The second most common is to femur head. So hip joint. The hip joint is formed of acetabulum and femur head. So the most commonly it is acetabulum and the second most common is femur head. So either you can choose both of. So first is femur head and second is this. So this is TB arthritis. Okay. So most common site is acetabulum. You just remember. Okay. So now there are something which is very it is you have to mug up. Okay. There's nothing you can remember. It is you have to mugging up. So there is what happens in TB arthritis? TB bacteria comes into your hip joint. Okay. It start destroying the head of femur or acetabulum of the femur. The femur head or the acetabulum have synovium. Okay, so they have synovium. So this is your head. This is your head. This is your acetabulum. Okay, so there is a synovial lining. Okay, so as soon as infection starts, the synovial lining starts swelling. Okay, so यहाँ पे synovial lining का swelling चालू हो जाता है. This is the first stage. Okay, so एक 4 stage है TB के problems के. I remember it सारे. You just remember it सारे. SARE. Okay. I will tell you क्या क्या है. You just remember सारे. So the first stage is synovitis. Okay. सबसे पहले क्या होगा? Synovial inflammation चालू होगा. Okay. Synovial inflammation चालू होगा, पस का collection चालू होगा. So hip क्या करेगा? Hip अपने best position में रहना चाहेगा, जहाँ वो उसको सबसे आराम है, hip joint को. And which is the best position of hip? I already told you Faber. Flexion, abduction, external rotation. So flexion, abduction and external rotation में hip खुद ही चला जाएगा and the patient will be lying there in peace. So Faber position में चला जाएगा whenever there is a synovitis. The first stage of TB arthritis starts with synovial inflammation, first collection. Hip goes into the best position of it. It is known as Faber, flexion, abduction and external rotation. Okay. So जब भी पैर सीधा रहता है and when you do abduction, okay, so there is, if you see now, it is a lengthening, apparent lengthening. So sometimes if you people who are very short stature, okay, wear stripes, okay, wear stripes, longitudinal stripes. So if you wear longitudinal stripes, you will obviously, apparently you will feel longer. People will consider you as a heighted person, even if you are not heighted. So that is apparent. Apparent means it is not true, but it looks like. So whenever your hip is in abduction, okay, in slight outside, so it looks like it is a very long person. Okay, so it is apparent lengthening इसको बोलते हैं. So the first stage of TB arthritis is Faber. Okay, febrile. You can remember, if you can remember, you can remember this one, febrile. Okay, so febrile is flexion, abduction, external rotation with apparent lengthening. Okay, so this is the first stage of TB hip out of SARE. Okay, now go for the second stage. So what is the second stage? So second stage is start early arthritis start होता है. Okay, पहला synovitis हुआ, pus collection हुआ, then हम लोग क्या कर start होता है, synovitis start और arthritis start होता है. What is arthritis? The destruction of the cartilage. उसका cartilage acetabulum का femur head का cartilage destroy होना चालू होता है. So initially जब start होता है तो second stage है, इसको बोलते हैं second stage. It is known as early arthritis. Start destruction of the cartilage of both sides. Okay. So इसमें क्या होता है, फिर limbs जो होता है ना, फाइबर से दूसरे पोजीशन में आता है. This position is known as फादिर. Okay, फादिर बोलते हैं इसको. You just remember this word. It's very easy and you can remember it. If you ask 2-3 times, you will remember. Like fadir faber. Okay. So fadir is flexion, adduction, and internal rotation. Okay. So flexion, adduction, and internal rotation. And this is the second stage. So first stage is abduction, where you feel it is lengthening, apparent length हो रहा था. The second stage में जैसे वो अंदर की तरफ आएगा, adduction होगा, you feel it is short हो रहा है, apparent shortening. There is no true shortening. There is apparent shortening. So इसको AS फादिरास बोलते हैं. तो apparent shortening बोलते हैं second stage को. Okay, फादिर and apparent shortening, बस इतना याद रखो. Now come to third stage. So AR for synovitis, AR for arthritis. Okay, third stage you come for is advanced arthritis. Arthritis और बढ़ते गया. Now there is a total destruction of both cartilage. Now there is true shortening. Okay. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, true shortening होगा, क्योंकि ऊपर नीचे सब खत्म हो गया. Now 10 centimeter का limb अब 8 centimeter का. So it is a true shortening. The same फादी रहता है इसमें. Okay. So erosion होता है इसमें originally. Okay. Synovitis, arthritis, erosion. Okay. So this is a fourth stage. उसके बाद अभी सारा डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया. नाउ अभी सारा डिस्ट्रॉय होने के बाद नाउ द हेड इज टोटली फ्री. ओके, सब डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया. नाउ इट इज वैंडरिंग. ओके, इसको वैंडरिंग एस्टाबुलम बोलते हैं. तो एस्टाबुलम इज ए बिग, नाउ हेड इज वेरी स्मॉल, सो इट इज ए वैंडरिंग एस्टाबुलम. सो नाउ इट कैन मूव एनीवेयर. ओके, सो इट इज अ डिसलोकेशन स्टेज और सबलक्सेशन बोलते हैं. यू कैन सबलक्सेट, द हिप कैन बी सबलक्सेटेड, सो द हिप कैन बी डिसलोकेटेड, एंड वैंडरिंग एस्टाबुलम. दिस इज द अदर स्टेज ऑफ. ठीक है, and this is the treatment along that. So we'll again revise this thing. Okay, don't worry. So I will just erase it. So again we'll revise all stages and everything in that. So that you just remember one is SARE. Okay, so SARE is what the first stage is synovitis. Synovitis means synovial inflammation होता है. Okay, the second AR is synovial के बाद क्या होगा, AR is arthritis. Okay, arthritis. तो arthritis में दो स्टेज आता है. एक होता है early, तो the second stage is early arthritis. उसके बाद कौन सा स्टेज आता है, advanced arthritis. Okay, advanced arthritis. I just now remember. Okay, last the phase is ठीक है, erosion बोलते हैं, erosion. Okay. So क्या होता है synovitis में, क्या होता है? So now come for the synovitis. So synovitis में क्या होता है? Synovitis में क्या होता है? You go into this one. So synovitis is the first stage जहाँ synovial inflammation होता है. Okay, synovial inflammation होता है, pus collection होता है, body go into the best shape it can be. It is febrile. Okay, Faber बोलते हैं. Whenever body go into abduction, you feel it is lengthening. Okay, आपको लगता है कि पैर लंबा हो गया है, but होता नहीं है, actually apparent है. So it is not apparent lengthening. Okay, the second stage होता है जहाँ पैर adduction में आता है. Okay, early arthritis जब पैर adduction में आता है. Now you feel it is short हो गया है, but होता नहीं है. It is apparent only. So it is apparent shortening. The third stage होता है advanced arthritis का stage होता है, जहाँ erosive state होता है, वहाँ सब खत्म हो जाता है. Now there is a true shortening. यहाँ पे एकदम true shortening होता है. Okay. After that there is a stage where you destroy everything, the acetabulum and everything. Now it is a dislocation stage होता है, जहाँ आपका limb dislocate हो सकता है, subluxate हो सकता है, and it is known as a wandering acetabulum. ठीक है. Now what is the treatment of the TB? So TB is a totally medical disease. Obviously you have to give patient rest. पहला rest देने का, IV fluids देने का, status maintain करने का, and initially you start with AKT. चाहे TB spine हो, TB hip हो, TB knee हो, anything, the treatment is the same. Start with AKT. Okay, पहले AKT start करते हैं. According to the problems, अगर दोनों limbs, दोनों head गया है, acetabulum गया, then you have to do surgery. And surgery is something which you should not remember. You just remember AKT and surgery, whatever surgery is required. Okay. So remember AKT. This is something which is important for MCQ. So what is ankylosis? Ankylosis means fusion. Okay. Ankylosis का different meaning है fusion. So if there is arthritis and two bones are attaching each other, so this is bony ankylosis. If there is a fracture, अगर बीच में fracture हो गया and the bones are separated दूर है, so there would be a fibrous tissue between the bones and it is known as fibrous ankylosis. So जब भी septic arthritis होता है तो सारे bacterial infection क्या होता है, बहुत severe होता है bacterial infection. तो सारे severe जो problems होते हैं जहाँ bacteria infections है, destroy कर दिया सारा cartilage, destroy and all that, destroy everything, there it go into bony ankylosis. So now bone into bone. Okay. Even spine TB is also going to bony ankylosis. So spine TB and bacterial arthritis, septic arthritis, these two severe problems. And TB spine is very severe, and bacterial septic arthritis are in those. This severe body going to bony ankylosis. Rest all of the TB like TB knee, TB ankle, TB anything, it go into fibrous ankylosis. So you just remember these two things. Septic arthritis always, so bony ankylosis. So bony ankylosis is spine TB and septic arthritis. So this spine TB go into bony ankylosis, septic arthritis. So this knee joint and this joint go into bony ankylosis. Okay. Spine is ये spine है. Okay. So ये बस remember करो. Okay. Now again आगे जानने का. Okay. So what is the problem? What is the symptoms and what is the sign? Okay. So sign and symptom you should remember. Sign is what doctor sees and symptom is what patient speak. Okay. So if you have any problem in hip, the first problem will speak to the patient, to the doctor as a patient is hip stiffness or pain. Okay. So whenever you start walking, either you got pain. Okay. If there is a bacterial, you got pain. But TB normally don't give you painful hip or painful knee anything. The first problem you will talk of stiffness. So first symptom is stiffness. ये थोड़ा सा the range of motion is कम हो रहा है. So you speak to like this. Okay. First sign what doctor looks you as a limping. Limping is लचक के चलना. Okay. You are limp. You lurch or limp. Okay. The X-ray you'll see there is osteopenia. So in X-ray you'll see what you will see in this TB hip. Okay. So this is your acetabulum and this is your hip. So the first thing they will see is osteoporosis. इधर सारा osteoporosis दिखेगा. Okay. So periarticular osteopenia is the first earliest X-ray you see in TB. Okay. Range of motion all direction में restricted रहेगा. Treatment would be the same. Traction, AKT surgery. Okay. बस इतना याद रखो. AKT and surgery. See, this is something which you should remember. TB का knee deformity होता है. So TB in knee. If TB occurs in knee, there is a triple deformity. 3 deformity of the same, and it is known as FAPTER. FAPTER is flexion, A for flexion, okay, PT for posterior tibia dislocation, and ER is external rotation. So flexion, external rotation, and posterior tibia subluxation. So it is known as FAPTER. You should remember this one, FAPTER. So triple deformity means TB knee, FAPTER deformity, FAPTER. Just remember this one. Okay, the same, इसका भी same stage होता है. It's no problem. Now see this one, compound palmar ganglion. So palmar is this area, and ganglion is like जो tendon sheath होते हैं, sheath का swelling. Okay, sheath का swelling और infection को ganglion बोलते हैं. So see, this is the swelling. Okay, so you see this is the swelling. Okay, यहाँ पे see this is the swelling. Okay, you see this is the swelling. So this is compound palmar ganglion बोलते हैं. Okay, palmar ganglion, it is because of the tuberculosis. Okay, this is the flexor tendon जो होते हैं, and इस साइड ये flexor compartment है. This is flexor compartment. Flexor compartment flexor. So flexor compartment के tendon sheath का TB, tuberculosis of flexor tendon sheath is known as compound palmar ganglia. Hourglass swelling है. Hourglass swelling is like this. ये जो hourglass की तरह होता है, ये होता है hourglass. ये hourglass swelling बोलते हैं. तो if you see this one, it looks like hourglass swelling. So see this one. इसको ऐसा देखो ऐसा. This is hourglass swelling. This is hourglass swelling. Surgery करना है, remove करना है that part को and AKT. Okay. Sometimes palmar ganglion is also caused by rheumatoid arthritis. Sometimes rheumatoid arthritis maybe you find this one. Okay. You find this rheumatoid arthritis. Now comes to acute paronychia. What is acute paronychia? This is very common. Even you and I got this sometimes, acute paronychia. This is nail bed का जो होता है, nail bed का infection को हम लोग बोलते हैं acute paronychia. ये bacterial होता है. सब red inflammation pus is because of bacterial infection. Acute paronychia. Okay. What is acute paronychia? This is most common hand infection. Nail fold का infection होता है. Okay. Pain because of pus entrap. Most commonly staph aureus, already I told you. Nail को remove करते हैं. Sometimes this is here. If it is occurs here, sometimes we'll remove nail and remove that pus. Once the pus is removed, the pain will decrease. This is acute tenosynovitis. So teno means tendon and synovitis means synovium. So tendon का जो synovium है उसका inflammation is tenosynovitis. So this is see यहाँ से सारे flexor tendons आते हैं and this all inflammation is there. यहाँ पे भी अल्लाह जो भी tendon आ रहे हैं उसके inflammation होते हैं. So there is a ये वर्ड है याद रखो. दिस कार्नावल साइन बोलते हैं इसको. कार्नावल साइन. ओके. 4 साइंस होते हैं. सो इफ यू हैव एनी इशू इन योर tendon sheath, you will flex the digits. Okay. On palpation it is a tender. If you extend it, it is a painful and it is a fusiform digit swelling. So you just remember carnival signs किस में पाए जाते हैं. So MCQs normally ask where you find the carnival signs. So carnival signs found in this one, palmar acute tenosynovitis. Okay. Acute tenosynovitis में पाया जाता है. That you should remember. Okay. The same thing. Carnival signs is 4 things. Touch करने पे pain, obviously extension पे pain है, fusiform swelling है, and tenderness है along the sheath. Okay. Now there is a radial bursa. So there is a thenar and hypothenar. So thenar is in the radial side. So if the radial bursa is infected, it is thenar पे. Okay. So you have to see this. So if you see, this is thumb, this is second finger, third finger, fourth finger. So if this is the radial bursa, okay, so this is thenar area. Okay. So if there is any issue, it is on the radial side. This is thenar pain. Okay. Thenar pain means radial bursa ka pain. Okay. Ulnar pain is yani ulnar bursa ka pain. What is the treatment? Obviously surgical drainage because bacterial hai, pus collection. Any pus collection you have to remove it. Okay. So that's all for today. Okay. Now you can come all of you can.